Hello, my name is Charlyne Francis and I'm about to do a speech from The Hate Play by Michael Wicherek, and I'm going to be playing a character called Tanya, and in the play there are 4 characters: Tanya, Skate, Vic and Cal, and they've all basically gone to the same primary school and they are in secondary school now. And for some reason this character Tanya just seems to distribute a lot of hate, in particular to the character Vic, and it's been going on for a little while. Without giving too much of the play away, this particular scene I want you to have a watch and yeah, just think about, why do people want to give hate to other people? What's that all about? Where does that come from? All right. Ain't seen too much of you lately. You've not been avoiding me or nothing. Was it something I said? I bet it was. I'm always saying the wrong thing, me. See, the thing is, underneath I know what I want to say, but somehow it just comes out all wrong. I'll show you what I mean. When I see you, what I want to say is something like, "Excuse me, love, would you mind getting out of my line of vision because you're making me all disorientated?" But what comes out is, "Oi, you get out of here because you're making me want to puke." You see what I mean? I reckon I should see somebody. Maybe I've got a speech impediment. What do you reckon? Do you reckon I got a speech impediment or what? Hey? You don't know nothing, do you? I'm standing here, trying to have a nice conversation in between maths and science, you know, trying to be all sisterly like, and all I get is a non-verbal. Maybe it's you that's got the speech impediment. Have you got a speech impediment? I reckon she has. I reckon you have. Because that's why you're all a bit stuck for words. A bit tongue-tied. Hey, you seen this? It's good, innit? My mate done it. She's professional. Hurt a bit, not too much. It's a dove. Do you want one? A tattoo? Do you want a tattoo? Go on. Just a small one. Just maybe there. What's the matter? I'm trying to make you an offer, all friendly like. It's not going to cost you much. What have you got on you? Come on, you must have something on you. What have you got? Come on, bell's going to ring in a minute. What have you got? Here? £2.30. All right. I'll tell you what. I'll do you a little offer. How about a little cross? Just a straightforward cross, maybe there. Look, I know what I'm doing. She taught me. I'm a quick learner. Look. It's clean. Sterilised. I used boiling water. No use hiding, you know. I'm going to find you wherever you are.